In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to take any text, whether it's single-line text or multi-line text, and rotate it precisely to match your drawing needs. First, start by selecting the text you want to rotate. You can click a single text object, or hold Shift or drag a selection window to grab multiple pieces of text at once. Once your text is highlighted, type the word rotate on your keyboard and press enter. If you prefer command aliases, the short form also works, but typing the full command makes it crystal clear what you're doing. When the command is active, AutoCAD will prompt you for a base point. Now, use your mouse to click a base point. Think of this as the hinge or pivot around which the text will spin. Choosing a meaningful base point helps a lot. For example, you might pick the text's insertion point, a corner of the text box, or a point on a line that the text needs to align with. If you want accuracy, use object snaps to grab exact endpoints, midpoints, or intersections. This keeps your rotation tidy and consistent with the geometry around it. After setting the base point, you have two easy ways to define the rotation. You can move your mouse to visually preview the angle and click when it looks right. Or you can type a precise angle on the keyboard and press enter. Typing an angle like 90 or 45 gives you exact control. In AutoCAD, by default, positive angles rotate counterclockwise and negative angles rotate clockwise. So if you want the text to tilt to the right by 30 degrees, type -30. If you want it to tilt to the left by 30 degrees, type 30. As you move your mouse, keep an eye on the dynamic input near your cursor or in the command line to see live angle feedback before you confirm. If you don't like the preview or the number you entered, you can press S key to cancel and start again, or simply run the command once more to adjust. Remember, you're not changing the content of the text, just its orientation, so nothing inside the text box will be altered except its rotation, and that's all there is to it. Select the text, run the rotate command, choose a solid base point, then either visually rotate with the mouse or key in the exact angle you need. With this method, you'll keep your annotations clean, aligned, and easy to read across your entire drawing.